guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be reviewing the Undefeated Kobe 5 Protro Hall of Fame. Now, as you guys know, this is the Kobe 5 silhouette and it's an Undefeated collab. Kobe and Nike have a long-standing amazing relationship going, and this sneaker just tops it all off perfectly. So we basically have a predominantly gold upper on these with some accents of purple and red all throughout the sneaker. I think they did an excellent job with the color blocking on this. So basically, this sneaker is, done to commemorate Kobe Bryant getting inducted into the Hall of Fame and his illustrious career as an NBA player. We have a lot of his accomplishments, detailed throughout the sneaker, some of his numbers, his jerseys that he wore throughout his career. Just a lot of cool details that I will be showing in the up-close look at these in a little bit. But just from an overall standpoint, one of my favorite Kobe Bryant sneakers to have ever released, especially for Kobe 5s, one of my favorite ones. I think they did a really nice job on this. They paid attention to detail. They executed it very nicely. As of right now, these have been an Undefeated exclusive. However, we did get confirmation that they will be releasing on the Nike Sneakers app on the 15th. So in a couple of days via a draw for $190. So if you guys are on the hunt for a pair, I would suggest, entering that raffle on sneakers and hopefully winning a pair. I know a lot of people who wanted them have not been able to get Undefeated yet. Emails are still going out as of the time of this recording. So hopefully you guys are able to win these. So overall, amazing sneaker. Take a quick look at it before we get into the up close look with all the details. Again, Kobe 5 silhouette, one of my favorite colorways yet. And shout out to Undefeated. Shout out to Nike for making this happen. Beautiful, beautiful sneaker. All right, guys, starting with the box, of a gold box, swoosh with the Air, Kobe Bryant logo right there. Undefeated on the side with Kobe Bryant's signature. Let's take a look at the size label. Official colorway, metallic gold multicolor, and retail price of $190. Of course, these are from Undefeated. Inside of the box, let's take a quick look. We have some details right here. Of course, we're highlighting Kobe Bryant's 81 points right there. Some other accomplishments doesn't really show too well from here. You guys can see 5 times league champion. Bunch of cool details right there. Really love when they do special boxes. But let's get right into the sneakers themselves. Here we have it. Absolutely beautiful. Take a quick look at that. So right now we're starting off with the left pair. They are a little bit different. Here we have the lateral side. We have a gradient swoosh on these. So as you guys can see, it goes from a red to a purple swoosh. And then on it, we have 24, 10, and 8 inscribed. So basically, these are Kobe Bryant's 3 numbers that he's played with. 24 and 8 with the Lakers, and 10 with the International USA team, of course. Really nice touch right there. The rest of the sneaker, of course, is like the synthetic mesh-like sneaker on the upper right here. And then we have a scaled gold pattern, just embracing the Mamba mentality. Everything Kobe Bryant was about right there. Snake skin. Beautiful, beautiful. And then on the toe box itself, we have a combination of the mesh that was on the side, the snake skin. It's basically like a TPU cage right there. Taking a look at the medial side of the left pair. Here we have it. On this one, we don't have that gradient swoosh anymore. It's a purple swoosh. The material on it is really nice. Take a quick look at that. Of course, we have the same snakeskin and mesh materials on the medial side as well. Taking a look at the heel of the left pair, we have Air written with the Kobe Bryant logo, as you guys can see, on a gold heel tab. Another thing I want to highlight about the sneaker, we have this gradient midsole, gradient gold and purple midsole right there, transitioning from gold at the top to purple at the bottom. And if we take a look at the outsole of the sneakers, purple outsoles with the gold Kobe Bryant hit. Of course, the traditional carbon fiber that we see on a lot of Kobe Bryant sneakers. But take a look at the logo right there. Really, really nice. Taking a look at the upper once again, gold laces on these right there. And they come with gold tips, as you guys can see. On the left pair, we have the Undefeated logo on the tongue in purple. And the tongue is black itself, black mesh material. The lining is this royal purple colorway. Very nice. Inside of the tongue, we have Undefeated and Kobe signature stitched in right there. Taking a look at the insole on the left pair, we have the swoosh and the Air logo. And then let me show you guys the size label on these really quick as well. Now let's take a look at the right pair. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit different because on the left pair right there, we have that gradient swoosh on the lateral side. On the right pair, we have an all purple swoosh on the lateral side. And then we have that gradient swoosh on the medial side. So really cool contrast right there. So one other thing I do want to mention, these did come with extra purple laces. I forgot to mention that, but it was inside the right one. So let's take a look at the lateral side right here. As I mentioned, the difference in the swoosh, but everything else on the lateral side is the same. Taking a look at the toe box, same exact concept as the left side. Going up the laces, of course, here the difference is on the upper of the tongue, we have the Kobe Bryant logo instead of the Undefeated 5 strike. Still in the purple color though, they kept that consistent. Taking a look at the medial side really quick, as I showed you guys a little bit ago, we have the gradient swoosh here. We do not have the numbers anywhere. On the other one, of course, as I mentioned, we had Kobe Bryant's 3 numbers throughout his career, as you guys can see right there. But on this pair, we don't have that. Taking a look at the heel tab, another difference right there. We have a gold heel tab again, but here it's the 5 strike Undefeated logo on the back instead. Quick look at the outsole on these. Again, exact same thing. Purple outsole, gold logo, carbon fiber. The gradient on them is the same as well. Before I forget, we do have Zoom technology on these if you guys are unfamiliar with that. Right there, Nike Zoom. And then the one other difference I want to show is that on the right side, actually, we have a lot of Kobe Bryant's accomplishments listed on the insole. Again, as you guys can see, the 81 points, the 5 times league champion, league MVP, 9-time first team all defense, high school All-American. His career, which lasted from 1996 to 2016, 20-year illustrious career. So the details and the highlights on the sneaker are absolutely insane. Really love it. Beautiful, beautiful sneaker. And then really quick, let me show you guys how these look with the light on. So previously the light was off, but when the light is on, they shine even more. Take a quick look at that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Once again, the Kobe 5 Undefeated Hall of Fame. Really amazing sneaker. Let me know if you hope that the Kobe Bryant signature line continues with Nike. I know that I do, and hopefully, they're able to work something out and bring us some more Kobe Bryant sneakers. Of course, these, no words needed. One of the best sneakers of the year. And yeah, just let me know your comments down below of these. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.